Welcome. We are starting with lesson 1 and 2. So this lesson is lesson 1 and 2. So in this lesson 1 and 2, we want to discuss about expanding pair of brackets. That is removing brackets. How do we remove brackets in an expression? How do we remove brackets in an expression? So there is a hint here. The hint which is here is when multiplying together expressions in brackets, it is necessary to multiply all the terms in the other brackets. You have to multiply all the terms in the other brackets. Now let's look at examples. Right. Example A. You can see x plus 3 in brackets. Then open brackets x plus 5 close brackets. You can see this one and this one. These are two terms in the brackets. This one and this one. So now in order to remove the brackets here, in order to remove these brackets, we now say this term will multiply everything inside the bracket here. And I've shown here, this is x is multiplying x plus 5. You see? And this term is multiplying again everything inside the bracket here. And I've shown here plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. You can see from this statement, which is saying multiply all the terms in the other brackets, it means x is going to multiply by this term, 3 multiplied by this term. That is what I have shown here. Then after that, you now remove the first brackets by multiplying with the term outside. The term outside is x. So if you multiply x times x, gives us x to the power 2, x multiplied by plus 5, 5x. Then this one plus 3 multiplied by this one, 3x. Then plus 3 multiplied by this, multiplied by 5 gives us 15. Then now, once we have this expression now, you now look for what we call like terms. 5 plus 5x plus 3x, these are like terms. These two are like terms. Don't please make a mistake. X to the power 2 is not a like term with 5x, no. But 5x plus 3x, they are like terms. So we can add or subtract like terms. So in this case, x to the power 2 plus 5x plus 3x gives us plus 8x plus 15. We have added the like terms. So our final expression here is x to the power 2 plus 8x plus 15. Now, let's look at example 2. X plus 2, x plus 1. Now, this x is going to multiply everything in this bracket I've shown here. Now, plus 2 is going to multiply everything in this bracket I've shown here. Now, remove the brackets now. X multiplied by x, x to the power 2. X multiplied by 1, that is x. Then next bracket, 2 multiplied by this one, 2x, 2 multiplied by this one, plus 2. Now the like terms, these are the like terms in the middle. So now simplify the like terms, add or subtract. So in this case we are adding x to the power 2, x plus 2x gives us plus 3x. Plus 2. So our final answer is x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 2. Now let's look at example. You can see example C. X minus 4x plus 6. Right. You can see using the methods which I was explaining. Now you can see x is going to multiply everything in this bracket, which is like this. Then x minus 4 here in this case. Now you can see minus 4 because here 4 carries a negative. So is minus 4 is the number which is going to multiply everything inside here. So minus 4 multiplied by everything inside here. Now let's do it. X multiplied by x gives us x to the power 2. X multiplied by 6 gives us plus 6x. Minus 4 multiplied by this, minus 4x. Minus 4 multiplied by this, minus 24. Like terms. Yes, we have got like terms in the middle again. So the like terms are x to the power 2 plus 10x. X to the power 2 plus 2x minus 24. So in this case, x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 24. So that is how we remove brackets. So in this exercise, what I want you to do is, I want you to practice on removing these brackets. Practice them, you removing these brackets. Now, for more practice purpose, you can now use your IGC textbook, where the topic is on expanding brackets. The topic is on expansion of brackets or removing brackets. So you can use that one to get more exercises in order to remove the brackets. If you want to practice more using more exercises, you can visit or you can use your IGC textbooks. So those books, they can give you more work so that you can practice. So what I'm expecting you to do, answer all these questions. Try to remove them. So when you are removing brackets, please take note the number which you are multiplying with. Which operation does it carry? For instance, here let's look at f. You can see x minus 5, x minus 2. So here 5 carries a negative. So when you are multiplying by any number, any expression, you will be multiplying by minus 5. Here x carries a positive. So positivity and negativities, these operations, they play a major important role in removing brackets. And do not make mistakes, especially when you are multiplying. Look careful the operations. Thank you very much.